Photographer, please. Photographer. Photographer. Ashwini.
God, those are a lot of bites.
I hold it for you. Give me one which is up so that it's more lighter for you.
Okay?
Rolling?
Good evening, Lara.
Hi, good
You
evening.
have to look in the front only.
Okay, I'm looking only in the front. Chalo. Everyone's rolling.
Fitness is the biggest trend, I think, so these days.
Fitness is a huge trend now. A lot of us who've been in the business, it's been a way of life for us for the longest time ever. But it's always really nice and exciting. I've worked with Luke Pitino for quite a long time now, quite a few years. He's been looking after all my nutritional needs and diet and things like that. But I'm really excited to be here at Reset. We're always constantly looking for new spaces in Mumbai, and there's always really high demand. You know, like we said, that fitness today is the #1 priority for most people. So there's such a high demand that it's amazing to come in and see such fabulous places. I mean, there's state-of-the-art places that are on par with any gyms anywhere across the world, and it's fantastic to be here to see that.
Lara, कई दर्शक हमसे पूछ रहे थे, तो आज मिल गई हैं आप और मौका भी है, दस्तूर भी है, तो आपकी फिटनेस मतलब के लिए क्या आप रिजिम रखते हैं?
I think मेरे लिए मेरा जो फिटनेस रेजिम रहा है वो हमेशा थोड़ा सा फ्लेक्सिबल रहा है हर ज़िंदगी के हर स्टेज के साथ. तो when I was obviously much younger, you know, there was a lot more weight training that used to go on. I was doing a lot more of kickboxing. फिर जब आप mother बनने जा रही हैं, and you know, there was nothing in the market for me to find that I could do when I was doing prenatal exercises. So I created my own prenatal yoga video. That was the first time that anything in India like that had come out that was homegrown. Or now post motherhood, of course, it was losing the weight, then maintaining your energy levels through the day so you can look after your career, your work, your house, your kid, your husband, you know, everything else, your family. So I think today for me, आज जो मेरा philosophy है वो सबसे number one ये चीज़ है कि I want to be healthy, I want to be you know, with high energy levels, and then if मैं 1 किलो यहाँ ऊपर या 2 किलो वहाँ नीचे हूँ, that really doesn't make so much of a difference to me now. पहले yes, because you're in front of camera so much more, you know, you were more worried कि नहीं थोड़ा सा 5 किलो कम हो जाए या 2 किलो कम हो जाए. But I think for me that today is not a priority. The main priority is being healthy, fit, mentally, you know, all there for your family, and that's the key.
Okay, so according to you, what is your fitness mantra, daily thing you do every
Well,
day?
I mix it up. I train 6 days a week. I do 3 days of cardio and yoga. So I do cardio in the morning and I do yoga in the evening, Ashtanga yoga. And I do 3 days of weight training in the gym. But weight training could also be CrossFit, could be functional training, could be kickboxing. I enjoy workout. I enjoy working out. And I've never been a thin girl. I've never been a sukri. I've never been a, you know, whatever. I've always been somebody who's... I've never been a size 0. I've always been somebody who's been, you know, who has an athletic build. I've always had muscle, and I like that. That's my body.
Okay, so according to you, morning walk is important or not?
Modeling?
Morning walk.
मॉर्निंग आई थिंक एनी फॉर्म ऑफ एक्सरसाइज जो आपको पसंद में आए, आपको वॉक करना हो या आपको भागना पसंद हो या स्विमिंग पसंद हो, थोड़ा बहुत एक्सरसाइज अपनी ज़िंदगी में इनकॉर्पोरेट करना. मेरे फादर 76 ईयर्स के हैं. ही यूज्ड टू बी अ जिमनास्ट, ही यूज्ड टू बी अ प्रोफेशनल हॉर्स राइडर, ही यूज्ड टू बी अ पोलो प्लेयर, एंड इवन टिल टुडे he used to be a boxer. Even till today at 76 he never misses a day of working out or getting some exercise. So I would definitely recommend that to as many people as possible.
And Lara, professionally, what's keeping you busy? Because people are missing you.
There is a lot. No, they're missing me, which is fine. But there's a lot going on. So we've just finished the new season of Diva, which is on air right now, on Colors Infinity, which is not here. We also have the movie that Wizcraft is doing. हाँ जी, विनय पाठक के साथ भी एक फिल्म है, लेकिन जो कंप्लीट हुई है वो सोनाक्षी और दिलजीत के साथ है, करण और बमन सर के साथ में, जो गोलमाल इन आइफा अभी टेंटेटिव टाइटल है. That's just finished. The film with Vinay is starting, and there's a lot on my plate at the moment right now, as much as I can handle.
लारा, मुझे ये पूछना था कि फिल्म मेकर्स को अपने हिसाब से फिल्म बनाने की आज़ादी अभी भी नहीं है. आपको ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि लाइक जितने हम इंसिडेंट्स देख रहे हैं अभी?
नहीं, आई थिंक देखिए, आइसोलेटेड इंसिडेंट को आप लेके ज़्यादातर से हमारी इंडस्ट्री में सबको काफ़ी फ्रीडम है. दे विल ऑलवेज भी छोटे ऐसे फैक्शंस रहेंगे या ग्रुप्स रहेंगे जो ट्रबल मेकिंग करने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ निकालेंगे, कुछ ना कुछ अवसर या मौका निकालेंगे टू डू इट. बट आई थिंक बाय एंड लार्ज द इंडस्ट्री हैज़ एन्जॉयड अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रीडम टू मेक फिल्म्स, एंड यू कैन सी दैट. जितने सारे फिल्में बन रही हैं अभी, आई थिंक अगर लिपस्टिक अंडर माय बुरखा 5 साल पहले बनी थी तो उनको कभी मतलब ऐसा रिस्पॉन्स कभी नहीं मिलता, यू नो. सो इट्स जस्ट, आई मीन, दैट्स चेंजिंग. इट्स कॉन्स्टेंटली देयर. स्मॉल थिंग्स यू विल ऑलवेज हैव टू बैटल विद.
डायरेक्टली आने दीजिए. पद्मावती कितना मतलब शुरू से उसके ऊपर अलग अलग तरह की चीज़ें विरोध, आप कैसे देख रहे हैं कि लोग कई समुदाय उसका विरोध कर रहे हैं, आप पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज भी इसमें आ रही हैं?
नहीं, जैसे मैंने कहा, ऐसे छोटे मोटे बहुत सारे फैक्शंस रहेंगे दैट आर वांटिंग टू कॉज ट्रबल, वो रहेंगे, एंड देयर विल बी पीपल हु विल हैव देयर ओन ओपिनियन ऑफ व्हाट दे थिंक इज राइट और रॉन्ग और व्हाटएवर. टुडे एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, सिनेमा इज नॉट गवर्न्ड बाय एनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, इट्स नॉट डिक्टेटेड टू बाय एनी काइंड ऑफ सोसाइटी. इट्स दैट्स द ओनली मीडियम दैट इज अ फ्री थिंकिंग मीडियम. सो इशूज़ विल अराइज कल, लेकिन जब पद्मावती निकलेगी, ऑलरेडी बहुत ही दिलचस्पी और चर्चा है उसके ट्रेलर को ही देख के. तो आई एम श्योर when it releases, at the end of the day, I am 100% sure that Sanjay ji also, when he sees it, is not, yes, he will know what he went through, but he will be so proud of what he's been able to accomplish and put out onto the screen, as will the rest of the industry.
पर काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम्स आपको लगता है ना उनको फेस करनी पड़ी होंगी, चाहे दीपिका हो चाहे
No, of course. I think as a total, yes, that is one project that's had a lot of issues that they've had to face. But in a larger scope of things, it's one film. You know what I'm saying? But that doesn't stop filmmakers like him, and you need that. You need strong filmmakers like Sanjay ji and the industry behind him to allow you to go ahead and not be dictated to by these political factions.
लास्टली कैसा लगा आपको ट्रेलर और पद्मावती?
It's fantastic. I can't wait. But Padmavati's conversation will happen another time. Thank you.